In today's video, we're diving into top 5 Squarespace features that you need to use, especially if you're brand new to building websites. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and one of the biggest things I hear from beginners is how overwhelming it feels when you log on for the first time. There's so many buttons, so many settings, and it's just hard to know what actually matters and what you should focus on. That's why in today's video, I'm going to highlight 5 features inside Squarespace that are really worth your time right away. These tools will not only make your website look more professional, but they'll also help you save time, connect with your audience, and make managing your site easier. Let's get into it. Squarespace has grown a ton over the years. It's no longer just a simple website builder. It's packed with tools for design, marketing, scheduling, blogging, and more. The trick is knowing which ones to use as a beginner so you don't get stuck in overwhelm. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly which features to lean on so you can launch your site with confidence. If you want to follow along, I'm going to be showing you how to use some of these tools. Make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below, and you can actually save 10% if you use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. Once you click that link, you can go ahead and click Get Started. So we're just going to create one from scratch. Let's just go ahead and get an example one. Maybe we're in health. Then we can select sell products. Actually, no, we're going to sell services, on-demand video, get appointments, build a community, publish blog. Cool. So let's go ahead and choose a template. As you can see, they have so many good ones. We'll select this one. So the first tool to use is the Fluid Engine drag and drop design freedom. One of the most intimidating parts of building a website is the design. You might pick a template, then only realize you want to move things around, adjust layouts, or add new section. That's where Fluid Engine comes in. Fluid Engine is Squarespace's drag and drop editor, but it's way more flexible than their old system. Instead of being stuck with rigid blocks, you can essentially drag elements wherever you want them on a responsive grid. You can resize text boxes, images, and buttons just by dragging the corners, and the grid helps you keep everything lined up so it still looks professional. For beginners, design is usually the scariest part, especially if you feel like you're not that creative of a person like myself. Templates do give you a solid foundation, and if you want to overlap an image with text or create a unique 2-column layout, Fluid Engine gives you the freedom to experiment without messing up the whole page. You can make your site feel more personal and less like a cookie cutter template. Maybe you want a big hero section with your photo on the left and text on the right, or maybe you want a services page with 3 boxes lined up evenly. With Fluid Engine, you can do that in a few clicks. So we can just go to our website. We'll click edit. As you can see, they have blocks right here. You can drag everything around super easily. It doesn't have to be in one specific place. You can even drag the image up and down. You can add a specific section. So they have a bunch of different sections already laid out, or you can add a blank section. And then within the blank section, you can add a block like text, image, and we can drag this anywhere on here, which is really cool and just makes the process so much more enjoyable. But just knowing that you have all of these templates on top of being able to customize it to your liking is really powerful. Just some tips for beginners: use section templates. So instead of starting from scratch, which is what I just showed you, drop in pre-designed sections like testimonial banners or galleries. You'll save so much time. It'll keep your site consistent as well. Also, don't forget to check mobile view. So many people look at websites on their phone these days, and so it's really important to just make sure that all of your design fits the smaller screens. Next is to just experiment. Don't be afraid to try things, duplicate a section, play around with the layout, and if you don't like it, you can always delete the draft. The more you play with this, the more comfortable you'll get, and it's one of the best ways to make your site stand out without hiring a designer. Next up is scheduling, powered by Squarespace's integration with Acuity. If you're a coach, a consultant, a photographer, or even just someone offering quick portfolio reviews, this feature is a lifesaver. So scheduling lets visitors book appointments or sessions directly through your website instead of going back and forth over email to find a time. People can just see your availability and pick a slot and confirm instantly. This is important because time is valuable. If you're offering any kind of service, whether it's paid coaching, free discovery calls, or even mini consultations, you don't want to waste it emailing back and forth. Scheduling automates all of that. Clients can book, reschedule, or cancel their own, and you can set rules like no same-day bookings or maximum 2 sessions per week. It keeps your calendar organized and really makes you look professional. So to add it anywhere, all you have to do, add section, you can go to scheduling where you can have it right here. So maybe book an appointment. Then you do have to obviously customize it. So you can go ahead and click set up. From here, what you'll do is create appointment types, set your availability, and then it will populate on your website. So maybe it's a one-to-one consultation. Maybe maybe it's 30 minutes, maybe it's $0. You can also add categories as well. You can add an image, you can select different forms, etc. And you can just click create and then it will be added into your site. Some of the key benefits are it syncs with your Google Calendar, iCal, or Outlook so you don't double book. It also lets you set up paid appointments if you want to charge upfront. You also can send automatic reminders so people are less likely to miss their session. It also works really easily on mobile so someone can book while scrolling on their phone. Just a few beginner tips. If you're just starting out, you don't need to offer 10 different appointment types. Keep it simple. Add one option like 30-minute call and expand later if needed. This feature is often overlooked by beginners, but it can make a difference if you're building a portfolio site where clients might want to reach out for your services. Number 3 is marketing and engagement. Stay connected with your visitors. A beautiful website is only the start. You also need to attract people and keep them coming back, and that's where Squarespace's marketing tools come in. Squarespace has built-in email campaigns that match your site's design. You don't need to buy separate email software. You can just send newsletters, updates, or announcements right from your dashboard. What's cool is that it integrates with your site. So for example, if you post a new blog article, you can automatically pull that title and image into an email. No copying and pasting. Next is social integrations. So Squarespace connects directly to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn and Pinterest. So you can display feeds on your site or automatically share new content. If you're posting a portfolio project, it can go live on your site and push out to social media in one step. Next is announcement bars and pop-ups. You announce a sale or share a new service, you can add an announcement bar at the top of your site. You can also create simple pop-ups to collect email addresses or direct visitors to a promotion. Discounts and offers. If you're selling services or products, you can create discount codes very easily. You can run a seasonal offer or give first-time visitors free shipping. It's a small touch, but it really does help with conversions. Now, these marketing tools are important because it's what keeps your site alive. It's not just about getting people there once, it's about staying in their world. With Squarespace, you don't need to patch together separate email and social tools. Everything works together, which saves you time and keeps your brand consistent. So now all you have to do is be in the website editor. You can go to marketing tools. So they've got the announcement bars, the promotional pop-up, the mobile information bar. Number 4 is blogging and SEO tools. One of the most effective ways to drive traffic to your site is through blogging, and Squarespace makes it super easy even if you've never blogged before. You can create blog posts, add images, tag content, and categorize posts into topics. Posts automatically look polished with your site's design, so you don't have to worry about formatting. If you're a photographer, you might post behind the scenes looks at shots. If you're a designer, you might share case studies. Even a simple article about your process can help people connect with you and improve your visibility. Now for SEO tools. Squarespace also has beginner-friendly SEO settings that you can edit page titles, descriptions, and URLs so your site is more likely to appear in Google searches. They give you your checklists and guides so you're not guessing what to do. This is really important because a lot of beginners skip SEO because it feels complicated, but Squarespace makes it super simple. If you take a little time to fill out titles, descriptions, and add a few blog posts, your site has a much better chance of being found. And more traffic means more opportunities, whether that's landing a new client or getting your work seen. So this is the blog specifically on this one. So as you can see, all of the blogs are right here. If you want to add blog content, you can very easily just click new blog and then go ahead and edit your post right here. Now, as you can see, this is in draft form right now. So what you need to do to actually post it is you'll go to actually post it and update all of the settings, images. You'll click settings right here so you can add a featured image. You can add an excerpt. You can change the URL. You can change the options. So you can put it into needs review, published, or scheduled. So you can create stuff in batch ahead of time and go ahead and schedule when you want it to be live. And then within SEO, you can edit everything. So the SEO title, SEO description, etc., social image, you can share, and then location, of course. So again, they just make it really easy to use. Number 5 is analytics, permissions, and security. Finally, let's talk about the behind the scenes tools that keep your site running smoothly. Starting off with built-in analytics. Squarespace has an analytics dashboard that shows you how many people are visiting, where they're coming from, and what they're clicking on. For example, you might notice that most of your traffic comes from Instagram. That tells you it's worth posting more there. Commerce analytics. If you're selling products or services, you can actually track revenue, order history, and even abandoned carts. This helps you understand what's working and what's not. Contributor roles. If you're working with a team, you can assign roles like editor, store manager, or admin. This way, someone can write blog posts without having access to billing settings. Password protection and member areas. You can lock certain pages with passwords, which is great for client galleries or private documents. plans. If you want a step further, there are member areas that let you create a paid membership where people log in to access exclusive content. And lastly, security. So Squarespace does include a free SSL certificate, so your site is secure. Visitors will see the little padlock in the browser, which definitely builds trust. All of these features are very important because analytics and security aren't flashy, but they're very critical. You need to know what's happening on your site, keep it safe, and actually have control if other people are helping you manage it. Squarespace handles these pieces so you can focus on the fun stuff like design and content. If you want to get started with Squarespace and save 10%, make sure you use our exclusive link down below. I just lastly wanted to share the different plans and pricing options with you. So they have a bunch of different options here so you can really grow with your website. So you can get a free trial for 14 days and then you can pay annually or monthly. I'm going to share the annual because that's how you can save the most on top of the 10% discount with code MyFirstWebsite. The basic plan is $16 a month. You get all of the templates, you get a free custom domain, Squarespace AI, and up to 2 contributors. If you're focusing on e-commerce, this is where you really need to focus on the plan. So the credit card rates start at 2.9% plus 30 cents. The online store transaction fee is 2%, and digital content and memberships transaction fee is 7%, which is very high. You can sell products and services, which is relatively high compared to most that I've seen. You can sell products and services as well. And then the core plan is $23 per month billed annually. You get everything in the basic, but you get advanced website analytics, unlimited contributors. The credit card rates stay the same, but the online transaction fee goes down. Same with the digital content and membership transaction fee. The plus is $39 a month and the advanced is $99 a month, both billed annually. Again, the biggest difference here is this payment rate. So the payments do go down. The online transaction fee is at 0% and the digital content and membership transaction fee goes from 1% to 0%, again, depending on the plan. But you get all advanced selling and services features as well. So definitely choose a plan that fits your needs, and you can always start with the lower tier plan and then upgrade when you need to. Squarespace has packed a lot into its platform, and as a beginner, it can feel overwhelming to learn it all at once, but you really don't need to. Focus on the features that give you the most impact. Use the drag and drop editor so your site looks clean and unique. Add scheduling if you want people to book time with you really easily. Take advantage of the built-in marketing to stay connected. And lastly, start a simple blog and use the SEO tools so people can actually find you. The important thing is to start. Every update, every blog post, and every tweak is a step forward. If you're ready to explore Squarespace for yourself, the link is down in the description below. And again, don't forget to use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout to save 10%. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website step by step with simple beginner-friendly guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.